Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or better known as ADHD, is a mental disorder that affects an individual's ability to focus, causing them to move around more frequently. They may also have trouble controlling their impulsive behaviors.
1 time for them praying on my downfall, 2 times for the homies in the child hall, 3 times for them on the internet when they really should get out more, 4 times for the days I was all back, 5 times for the they call back, 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD just
Retard. Are you stupid? Mentally challenged? What the fuck is the matter with you? I'm sorry to help you.
I'm sorry.
My soul ain't for sale. My soul ain't for sale. My soul ain't for. I see demons everywhere. Demons from the pain. Demons in my cup. Demons in my brain. Demons in the food. Demons with the fame. Demons in the sun. Demons in the rain. She on demon time. She don't need the vibe. No, I got a girl. She don't even mind. I don't got a condom. I don't need to find. Demon in my mind. Telling me it's fine. Since a little kid, my dream got weird. I was fighting these demons all by myself. Daddy not here, I'm taking the fears. I'm wiping them tears all by myself. Mama cares, she cheered me, yes, but I still feel like I'm all by myself. Punching the air, but I know they there. I'm these up by myself. Before I was dying, I gripped my soul to keep it away from the demon. Going through drama created the trauma that will make you a demon. Psychological warfare, digital bots. Algorithm on the Instagram, I see him nothing but dots. My soul ain't for sale. My soul ain't for sale. My soul ain't for sale. My soul ain't for.
Got a night light, so the monsters don't chase. Demons on the corner, got the hood going crazy.
Alright, you proved your point. But what else you got? We know the dark side. We've seen it, you've lived it. Where's the light? I know you got it in you. ADHD. You know what your ADHD is? All day in dreams. What are your dreams, John? Give us your dream.
25 hours at Australia. Got him a bitty but won't marry ya. Cut the new range, I'm really young. Ain't even out 100 more bucks. Need different lights in the back of the truck. You talk about me, but this fuck. 25. My dick in there when I club, and she on a dot and I up, but I'm messy. She messy. Kicking it messy. Gotta be quick like Messi. Up in the ribbon and Tessie. When I play with it, they get messy. She messy. She messy.